Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and yes, it is hump day, and I got DW back in the building to help you get over it. I'm telling you, this guy is continuously bringing the noise, and he did it again today. Now, the name of the watch face is called DW59. This watch face, the whole layout, the design looks awesome. I'm giving him 4 thumbs up in the door for creativity and design. Now, in the always on mode, this is one of the slickest looks that I've saw in a while. My man lit this one up. You gotta hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Now, when the watch face is on, you have a really nice look. Everything is laid out very uniquely, and I'm loving it. So you got at the top your digital time, so you get the best of both worlds because you got analog and digital, and you also get your month and your date, the day of the week. You get a nice little moon phase right here. You get your goal completed status. You also can make a phone call, and it's interactive. Go into your music, and also his settings. And I like that he gives you the important features and functions. You get your battery right there, your step status information right here, also your heart rate info. The guy really outdid himself with this one. You get a lot of features and shortcuts within the watch face that I thought was very nice, and you can customize it just a little bit more. You can change it to orange instead of white. The numbers on the watch face going around the bezel looks very, very nice. All right, you all, you got to hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And with that, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. If you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.